Space travel as we know it is painfully slow. Even the closest stars are light years away. A trip to another galaxy? That could take millions of years. With today's technology, it's impossible. But what if there was a shortcut, a tunnel through space itself that could instantly take you across the universe? That's what wormholes promise, a bridge between distant points in space. Now, imagine humans finally learn how to safely use them for travel. No rockets, no decades in cramped spacecraft. You step into a glowing portal near Earth, and in an instant, you're light years away. The first challenge would be navigation. Space is vast, and wormholes could connect anywhere, sometimes to dangerous regions near black holes or unstable stars. Every journey would require precision and caution, but the rewards, immense. Entire galaxies could become accessible in hours. Humanity could explore planets, moons, and alien systems that were once impossible to reach. Intergalactic trade, scientific exploration, maybe even colonies in galaxies millions of light years away. Life wouldn't just expand outward, knowledge would explode. Imagine visiting planets with completely different forms of life, ecosystems or technologies. Wormholes could make the universe a smaller, more connected place. And think about the possibilities of intergalactic diplomacy. Civilizations separated by millions of light years could suddenly meet. Alliances could form, new cultures could blend, and maybe even shared technology could leapfrog humanity centuries ahead. Of course, using wormholes isn't without risks. The tunnels themselves could be unstable. Travel through one might expose travelers to intense radiation, gravitational waves, or distortions in time. Some travelers could return older or younger than expected. Time might behave differently inside. Then there's the psychological side. Traveling instantly across unimaginable distances might twist your sense of space and scale. Seeing galaxies up close, planets you can walk on that orbit, distant suns, or alien skies that are utterly unlike Earth's, the universe could feel overwhelmingly massive and strange. But even with the dangers, the idea changes everything. Humanity could go from a single planet species to a true intergalactic civilization. Distances that once seemed insurmountable could vanish in an instant. And maybe, somewhere out there, alien civilizations have already mastered wormhole travel. They might be watching, exploring, or even waiting for us to catch up. Wormholes could turn the impossible into the everyday. They could make the universe feel small, intimate, and endlessly full of possibilities. Imagine stepping out of a wormhole and seeing a star field so massive it stretches beyond your vision, with planets orbiting suns you've never seen before. The colors, the scale, the sheer beauty of intergalactic space. It would redefine how humans see themselves. If we ever learn to harness them, the next giant leap won't just be to the stars, it will be to the galaxies beyond. And one day, walking through a glowing wormhole might be as normal as stepping onto a train. The universe won't feel so big anymore. It will feel like home,